Hey everyone, this is my brine Thanksgiving recipe for a turkey. I used this last year and everybody loved it, so I wanted to share with you my recipe. So you're gonna need a turkey. This turkey that I'm using is a little over 20 pounds, but you could use whatever size turkey you have on hand or whatever size you'd like to fit your family, but I have a little over 20 pounds. I have a big pot. I have a gallon of water. I ended up using 2 gallons of water, not just one. You're going to need 1 whole clove of garlic. I actually peeled mine, but you don't have to. Use 2 cups of brown sugar. Use 1.5 cups of salt. I only ended up using 1 cup of salt. You're gonna use 1/4 of black peppercorns, some bay leaves. I threw in maybe like 5 pieces, 1 sprig of each herb, 2 whole onions, 4 lemons, 2 to 4 apples, and 3 to 5 oranges. So now we're just going to pour our gallon of water into our pot up until it boils. And while it's boiling, I'm chopping up all my citrus fruits and my onions and garlics, peeling up my garlics. I also removed any seeds from my apples, my oranges, and my lemons as well. So once your water is done boiling, that's the time to add into your pot of all the ingredients. I started off with like salt and brown sugar and the peppercorns, and that's when I started to squeeze in my lemons and oranges, and then drop the whole piece into it, as well as my apples, onions, and garlics as well. Once you've added everything, make sure to turn off the heat, stir everything, make sure that your salt and brown sugar is dissolved, and just let it sit and let it cool completely. And once it's cooled, then you could put it into a cooler with your turkey, and make sure to add ice to keep your turkey cool, and to change the ice throughout the day, and it'll be ready for you to cook tomorrow. So my niece is actually allergic to oranges, so at the end of this video I actually did a separate turkey for her that doesn't include any oranges. It's basically, I guess you can say, a dry rub type of recipe, and I'll link down below the recipe for the brine and for the dry rub. For the dry rub, I just used 2 butter sticks. I added garlic powder, onion powder, dried thyme, and some salt and pepper.